Hi guys, on macOS when we try to open a folder using terminal on VS Code, it is not working and it shows command not found code. For example, here I want to open the current folder that we are in the terminal, which is this one, Ashin 2, using the VS Code. I'm entering code space dot, but it's not working. So to fix this, we said sh command not found code issue. All you have to do, open the Visual Studio Code and press Command Shift P together, and here you have to type install code. Okay, now you will see this shell command install code command in path will be suggested to you, and press enter there, and now it will ask you to whether to run this command prompt. Okay, do it now. It will ask you a password of the computer, enter it. Okay, now shell command code successfully installed in path. Then what we can do, go back to our terminal and type code space dot. Now the folder is going to open via VS Code. Alright, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.